Taifee. Sa isang bowl, sift together 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour and 1/4 cup ng cornstarch. Add half a teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 cup water, and 1 tablespoon ng oil. Haluin ng mabuti until maging ganito yung consistency, salain, at i-transfer sa piping bag. Gamit ang non-stick pan, lutuin natin over low heat by piping it into coils na parang ganito until maubos lahat ng mixture. Chop natin ng konti at isangag natin sa kawali with 1/2 stick ng butter. Haluin lang natin ng mabuti until ma-absorb lahat ng butter. Pwedeng dito nyo na siya sa kawali tostahin or pwede ring ilipat sa baking tray at tostahin natin sa oven until maging golden and crispy. Sa 200 grams ang toasted Taifee, add tayo ng 300 grams of pistachio cream. Haluin ng mabuti at pwede na natin yung i-layer sa ibabaw ng ating cheesecake brownie. Level off smoothly, then lastly, prepare na natin yung ating chocolate ganache. Sa isang bowl, combine together 200 grams of milk chocolate and 200 ml of hot cream. Palamigin until mag-set ng konti, then pour on top of our pistachio Taifee layer. Decorate with pistachio cream and top with chopped roasted pistachios. Chill for around 30 minutes for the ganache and pistachio cream to set before slicing. And that's it. Enjoy your homemade pistachio cheesecake brownies.